Now to run this, to run this, we need what? We need the start kernel like that, and yeah, and if we wait for it to come. Yeah, it's come now. There is syntax error. Okay, this is not. There is another error here. So we can now run it. Now still no error. Now what we want to be this another error. Counts. The count is not plural. Today I'm prone of some errors. Alright, I think now the error has gone. Now what we want to do, I want list of that years. So list, to get the list, you just say set by here. Set by here, then what you are going to do, you are going to say I want list, and you want list of column list. It's like you are saying here and what else. We have the column of set by here and what else. I want set num set underscore num. Is there something like that? Set num, yeah. And then I want just let's try 5 first rows. They call this function. This method call a function to display which displays 5 first rows, right? So let's do like that. Shift enter. There is error. So let's fix this error next shot.